Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I share honest reviews of the things I actually use every single day. In this video, I will be sharing my top 5 Bioderma products for dry and sensitive skin that I've been using for many years. First, let's talk about the Bioderma Atoderm shower oil. I have used this product for a long time, and it has become one of the staples in my shower routine. One of my favorite things about this product is the packaging. The bottle comes with a pump, which makes it very convenient to use in the shower. It is much easier than squeezing a bottle with wet hands, and when the product is almost finished, it's also easier to use up everything inside. The pump can be locked as well, which is useful if you need to transport it or simply want to prevent accidental spillage. It comes in multiple sizes, from which the 200 ml, 500 ml, and 1 liter versions have the pump. The version I buy most often is the largest one, 1 liter bottle, because it offers the best value for money and lasts a very long time. The texture feels light and pleasant on the skin. It spreads easily and creates a comfortable cleaning experience without feeling heavy or greasy. It cleans the skin effectively while remaining gentle. What makes this product different from many regular shower gels is that it's designed to be relipidant. In simple terms, that means it helps support the skin's natural protective barrier instead of stripping away too much of the skin's natural oils during cleansing. Because of that, my skin feels soft, comfortable, and moisturized after showering rather than tight or dry. This also makes it particularly suitable for dry and sensitive skin. Moving on to Bioderma Hydrabio Sensibio Micellar water. When I started using Hydrabio, it was for dehydrated and sensitive skin. In the meantime, they changed it. So now there is Hydrabio for dehydrated skin and Sensibio for sensitive skin. I tried them both, but I haven't noticed any difference. At least not for my skin type, which is normal to dry and sensitive skin. I use it for makeup removing, except for some waterproof or strong makeup, and for no rinse face cleansing. What I like the most about it is how gentle it is. I can use it freely over and around the eyes without irritation, discomfort, redness, or a burning sensation. The formula feels lightweight on the skin and has a soothing effect. After using it, my skin feels soft and clean without feeling tight. It also doesn't leave behind a sticky residue. Overall, I find it to be a gentle and comfortable product that effectively removes makeup and daily impurities from the skin while leaving it feeling clean, soft, and refreshed. Next on the list is Bioderma Atoderm lipstick. First, let's start with what is seen before opening. When I bought this product, it was in the store without any protective packaging, and we cannot be sure that no one had already opened it before. It looked unopened, but still, I don't like that it doesn't have protection, especially since it is applied on the lips. On the positive side, it has a click mechanism, so the lid cannot fall off if we turn it upside down or carry it in a bag with other items. This lip balm is neutral, transparent, and very light on the lips. It doesn't feel sticky nor chunky. Also, it's not too glossy. The stick is not too hard, so you are not poking your lips when applying it. And it's not too soft either, so you don't feel that your lips are too greasy or heavy after applying the product. When it comes to scent, it has a very light berry scent, which is quite pleasant in my opinion and not overwhelming at all. This lip balm provides deep hydration and keeps my lips smooth and soft. It's always in my bag or within arm's reach. It's definitely one of my all-time favorites. After lips hydration, for the whole body hydration, I really like the Bioderma Atoderm Creme Ultra Body Moisturizer because it has a pleasant medium to lightweight texture that absorbs quickly. It's not sticky or greasy at all, but it's still very hydrating and it makes my skin soft, smooth and moisturized. Even during the colder months, the pump makes it super easy to apply and I use it all over my body after a shower or in the winter whenever whenever I notice my skin feeling a bit tight or dry. Bioderma tends to promote their intensive balm more, but I personally don't like it. It feels too heavy, takes a long time to absorb, and stays sticky on my skin. The Atoderm Creme Ultra is a little lighter, but works much better for me. And lastly, for hand hydration, I love using the Bioderma Atoderm Mains and Ongles. I discovered it a few years ago, and I was genuinely impressed. This cream is designed not just for moisturizing your hands, but also for nourishing the nails and cuticles, which makes it kind of a two-in-one product. By the way, Mains and Ongles is French, it means hands and nails. It's not greasy, absorbs quickly, and works phenomenal on dry, sensitive skin. When I use it regularly for a longer period, my hands feel soft and smooth. It works well not only as a daily hand cream, but also during colder months, when hands tend to become rougher and more prone to irritation. It has a nice scent when applied, and the lightweight texture feels pleasant as I spread it over my hands. Despite its lightweight feel, it provides lasting comfort and helps reduce that tight, dry sensation that often appears after frequent hand washing. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe for more similar content. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!